Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem Wakakadash. Shalom to the elders for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered to the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. I say shalom to the Akim out there, and this is a sit-down lesson that I want to bring out. And this is 2nd Esdras chapter 9 verse 1. He answered me then and said, measure thou the time diligently in itself when thou seest the parts of the signs past, which I have told you before. Right, as we continue to measure the time diligently in itself, watching out for these signs, do sit-down lessons, being on our watch, being a watchman of the house of Israel, watching for these biblical signs, global events, major events, and prophecies that's about to be fulfilled as we about to witness and experience and continue to show forth, and it's going to continue to increase. So that's why we're measuring the time diligently in itself. Go to the next verse, 2nd Esdras chapter 9 verse 2 of the apocryphal books of the Holy Scriptures, and it reads, then thou shalt understand it is a very same time when the highest will begin to visit the world which he made. Right, so the Heavenly Father is definitely visiting this earth with these weather-like conditions, as we definitely been seeing the increasing of these earthquakes, tornadoes, landslides, mud floodings, the droughts, and etc. Because there was a recent earthquake over there in Taiwan, the outskirts of Taiwan. I believe it was a 5.6 magnitude of an earthquake. We've been seeing recently 5.7s to 5.4 to 5.1 recent earthquakes for the last couple of days or so around the world. So that shows you a prime example that the Heavenly Father is visiting this earth with these weather-like conditions. So it has nothing to do with climate change or global warming or nothing like that, or Mother Nature. It has nothing to do with that. It has something to do with the Heavenly Father visiting this earth with these weather-like conditions. And we definitely been seeing that in the year 2023. And we're going to continue to see that increase. 2nd Esdras chapter 9 verse 3, and it reads through the Holy Scriptures, the apocryphal books. Therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes and uproars in the people of the world, right, that's what we've been seeing over there in Paris, France, with the protesters, the uprisings, and the seditions. And we've been seeing that over there in Sudan as well too, as heavy fighting continues to escalate. That leads into seditions and uprisings and uproars. And we definitely going to see the earthquakes increasing in diverse places. A high increasing magnitudes of earthquakes in diverse places is going to continue to increase. 2nd Esdras chapter 9 verse 4. Then thou shalt well understand that the Most High spake of these things from the days that were before thee, even from the beginning. Right, these were the signs that the Heavenly Father have spoken of from the days that were before thee, even from the beginning. So we're going to see these signs continue to increase and show forth. That leads into the categories of major events, global events, prophecies that's about to be fulfilled, increasing biblical events as well too, as a prime example. 2nd Esdras chapter 9 verse 5. For like all that is made in a world had a beginning and an end, and the end is manifest. Right, it's being manifest, and it's going to manifest now so more than ever in the current times that we are in. And that going to lead into the increasing biblical signs, increasing major events, global events as well too, and an increasing of manifesting of prophecy that's going to be fulfilled as well too. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying, as the title of the lesson was 2nd Esdras chapter 9 verse 1 through verse 5. And I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem Wakakadash. Shalom to the elders for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And until next time, I will say shalom.